this is the post-op. What do you see that could be improved on this?
I'd like to see you, I'd like to have your assistant, if she's taking the films, move the film back a little bit, because you know how in the rugae area just behind the maxillary anteriors, there's that rugae area, the tissue and stuff.
Okay.
It's quite a protuberance as the bone ramps in behind the linguals of the maxillaries, and so the film is hitting there and it can't go up higher. So if we just went back, then it would go up.
Okay, I see what you're saying.